Peekaboo, I just put them bookers in my chain. Peekaboo, 80 pointers like a Cootie game. Peekaboo, 762s, so make them plain. Peekaboo, pop it out, that's what I mean. Like boom, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type of shit I want.
Hey guys, I'm Malika Harris, your favorite new construction realtor representing luxury and new construction across Atlanta and Houston. And to those that are new here, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Each week, I'll be sharing new properties and market insights to help you make confident real estate decisions. And as always, my calendar is open and I love to be a resource for you if you're looking to invest into homeownership. You can find the link below in the description. Now, I will be touring one of the most amazing luxury estates in Chattahoochee Hills. Now, before we step inside, let's talk about where we are. Welcome to Serenbe, one of the most thoughtfully planned residential environments in the Southeast, and personally, one of my favorite hidden gems. This is Palmetto, Georgia, located in South Fulton, just outside of Atlanta. And what draws buyers here is sustainability and balance. Over 70% of the community is permanently conserved green space, preserving the agricultural history of the Chattahoochee Hills. You're about 30 minutes from Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, and this area continues to attract executives, entrepreneurs, and international buyers who want privacy without sacrificing access. Now, perched at the highest point in this community is one of Palmetto's most significant modern residences. Just shy of $3 million, this 5,000 plus square foot home was custom built by Vincent Longo and featured in Room magazine, blending modern architecture, smart home technology, and true indoor-outdoor living. Designed for those who will entertain well, travel often, and value discretion. This estate features 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a wine cellar, wet bar, 2 fireplaces, and a beautiful sparkling pool. This is not a mass market home and is not for casual showings. If you're a qualified buyer seeking a refined U.S. residence or strategic addition to your real estate portfolio, reach out to me directly at mharris@norluxrealty.com. I cannot wait to connect with you. Enjoy the tour and be sure to follow for more and like and share it to anyone you know who may be looking to buy real estate.
Will.
Will!
I can find them in the upside down. Friends don't lie.
Right!
I'm sorry.
This is the beginning of the end.
To the 520 men over 40 who bought the health pod yesterday hoping to drop the beer gut, I'm sorry. I said it was 20% off, but I was wrong. It's actually up to 50% off today. And I said it tracks your body composition metrics like your muscle versus fat ratio, but I didn't explain it tracks over 45 metrics, like your visceral fat, metabolic age, bone density, hydration, protein levels, BMR, and more, and I said it's really accurate. But I didn't mention it's 98% as accurate as a DEXA scan and measures your entire body, not just your lower half like those other body analyzers that only scan through your feet. Plus, unlike a DEXA scan where you pay $300 just to get numbers with no guidance, the Health Pod gives you personalized daily action plans based on your data. It tells you exactly what to eat, how to train, what to fix. That's why a lot of guys say it's not only cheaper but actually more valuable than getting a DEXA scan. You get nearly the same accuracy, unlimited scans at home, an app that tracks your progress with graphs so you can see what's working, and a roadmap to actually improve. This technology is used in over 12,000 medical clinics, and now you can have it at home for up to 50% off today. So I recommend you grab the Health Pod while this deal lasts. It's also HSA and FSA eligible. Click below to get yours now.
watching you. Watching you, watching you, watching you, watching you, watching you.
Check it out now. No doubt now. Yeah. Check it out now. No doubt, yo. Special girl, real good girl. Biggest thing in my itty bitty world. Call her up and she made me feel right. Wish the bliss could never take flight. Sitting back with this mic in my hand. Spitting hot shit, trying to see grand. Imprinted on my mind every minute. Make my plans and you always in it, y'all. It's such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, a vibrant thing. And even though we both fly, give each other space and not the evil eye. Acting like grown-ups, don't even try to hide cause the spot blown up. Girlfriend telling you she wanna see. I say I don't know, but you say gladly. And when we both do head, we go on and on and on and on and on and sweeter than Ben and Jerry. Can I rhyme? Well, you know I get mine. Sitting around in my abstract car. This abstract thing going abstract far, yeah. It's such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, a vibrant thing. Yeah, it's such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, a vibrant thing. Check it, yeah, look at check me. Look at yeah, check it, look at me. Yeah, yeah, it's such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, a vibrant thing. Look at yeah, check it, look at me. Check it, look at yeah, check it, yeah, check it. Yeah, it's such a vibrant thing. Vibrant, Getting back to my MC status, all the willy that I kick make the other niggas maddest. Moving through your town situation. Shorty thought she subtle, but she really was blatant when she shook a thing and violated. Now these wolf-like thoughts are formulated. I'm saying, oh, is there some heartfelt shit here? Am I a strong back nigga? Well, shit, yeah. Plus we could hold a convo or go to the movies, my crib, whatever, yo. Just wanna see you by my side. We on 95, know the stash is in the ride. A rapping nigga for real. You would find me in the cypher if I didn't cop a deal. Rap slate like big weight. You buy, I sell, we split big cake. Just move your little thing.